the new episode. Today we're diving into the world of extreme oversized transport, where skilled drivers tackle insane challenges with massive machinery. Get ready for heart-stopping moments and incredible feats of engineering. Buckle up, let's get started. The timber machine broke down, forcing us to move it to the repair shop. The road was brutal, mud, fine sand, every inch a battle. Like warriors, we pushed on with the bulldozer and truck straining against every obstacle. Each step forward was a victory in this relentless fight. Built in 1925, the Taroa once ruled New Zealand's waters, connecting Auckland to surrounding areas. After decades of service, this steam ferry has been restored and retired to a museum. Its story lives on, inspiring future generations to appreciate the history of water transport and the robust beauty of steam-powered vessels. Transporting a 300-ton transformer from Stafford to a power plant isn't your everyday delivery. Two mighty trucks, the F&J 71 WRE and the Trojan, worked in perfect tandem to lead the massive convoy. Narrow roads, sharp curves, and tight intersections became an obstacle course. But thanks to the skillful coordination of the operators, the transformer arrived safely. This journey was nothing short of a heroic engineering feat. Deep in the forest, a convoy moved a 300-ton transformer along a freshly cleared road. Two DF 3600 trucks led the charge, supported by a Kenworth C500 at the rear. Each meter was a test of precision and strength. The convoy's successful delivery ensured a stable energy supply for large industrial zones, proving that resilience and teamwork can conquer even the toughest terrain. At Danehill, East Sussex, vintage cars, tractors, and heavy transport vehicles paraded in an awe-inspiring display. Steam engines and road locomotives roared through the event, creating a nostalgic celebration of engineering. One highlight, a French team traveling 107 kilometers to participate, adding international flair to this mechanical extravaganza. The serene landscape of Dayton Canyon meets the rumble of industrial machinery as Papage construction blasts and levels mountainsides. This relentless work is paving the way for ambitious development projects, showcasing the power of human determination to reshape nature itself. Looking like a giant helicopter, the Caterpillar 24 grader was transported to its new home on a Kenworth C59 truck. With its long grading blade and advanced engine, this machine is a symbol of strength, precision, and durability, ready to take on major industrial projects. At an exhibition in the US, Mack trucks showcased their might. With their iconic bulldog symbol leading the charge, the event featured roaring engines, heavy-duty vehicles, and cutting-edge green transportation solutions. Mack's legacy of over a century continues to inspire. A truck carrying a bulldozer faced unexpected trouble while climbing a slope. The undercarriage hit the ground, bringing the convoy to a halt. After several failed attempts, the driver had to backtrack and find another route, turning frustration into determination to complete the mission.
Straightened out and hopefully on his way.
In the vast Northwest and Goldfields regions of Western Australia, massive road trains dominate the roads. These multi-trailer behemoths from brands like Kenworth and Freightliner navigate harsh landscapes, merging raw power with the natural beauty of the outback. On a busy Saturday morning at Ben Dun Hill on the Great Northern Highway, Western Australia, massive truck convoys rolled by, carrying everything from heavy machinery to livestock. The road to Pilbara, a bustling mining hub, felt alive with energy, like the entire region was gearing up for a new adventure. Imagine a 140-ton transformer slowly rolling through a small village, drawing crowds in awe. This massive cargo traveled a complex route across the UK, monitored closely by police and transport experts. It was a moment of wonder, bringing a rare spectacle to an otherwise quiet community. A giant ring-light cargo weighing 285 tons made its way across a mountain road, blending seamlessly with the breathtaking natural scenery. Bound for a copper and gold mine in Arizona, this massive anode symbolized the harmony of human engineering and nature's grandeur. Japan's historic SL Hitoyoshi steam train has found a new home in a museum. After a challenging journey, the train now stands tall, a reminder of Japan's golden era of railways, captivating visitors with its nostalgic whistle and majestic presence. A massive 300-ton transformer rolled through Stafford, a rare sight stretching over 70 meters long. Roads were cordoned off and traffic halted as experts guided the colossal convoy through the central roundabout. Onlookers watched in awe as this special cargo made its way, promising to power the UK's future energy needs. A Scania S650 from Ono Katu Company carried a GE tower section on a 6-axle JSV Vulcan trailer. Adjusting height precisely to pass under a pedestrian bridge, every move showcased incredible skill and cutting-edge transport tech. Once a legend of British railways, the Class 50 locomotive has completed its final journey to the Mid-Hants Railway Museum in Alresford. With its robust design and iconic engine sound, it once dominated the express routes of the 1960s. Now, as a proud heritage piece, it stands as a testament to the golden era of railway history, allowing fans to relive its glory days. And there you have it, sheer grit, determination, and engineering brilliance. If you enjoyed this thrilling ride, like the video and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next adventure.